Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily enable the Net Framework 3.0 in Windows 11. To begin, click in your search bar and type Turn Windows Features on or off and click on this little icon to open up for you. You will need to wait a few seconds and this window will open. As a next step, click on this little plus sign and make sure to tick everything. Once done, click OK. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Windows will start searching for the required files. It will tell you let Windows Update download the files for you. Click on it and let Windows take care of it. After up to 3 or 4 minutes, you'll be prompted to restart your computer, and once done, this Net framework will be always enabled for you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.